I'm overweight, I have acne, damn scars, losing lot of hair, and above all, financially drained and academically doing not that great. So my question is, will this year will be same as others? Lack of confidence, procrastination, confusion, doing nothing? My answer can be no. At least, I mean, I can try. I try to reach my full potential. I have big dreams and I want to achieve them all. But the problem is, if I will follow same habits, same routines, I will be reaching nowhere. So I have decided that I will be giving myself 90 days, breaking them into 30 days each for 3 months and try to change my life into the life I wanted. So I have decided that I will set some basic rules for me. I have written them all. Let me read out for you guys. Study for at least 8 hours a day. Clean healthy, cut out junk, work out daily. And for workout, I will be following one YouTube channel. I will link it in the description box. Drink 4 liters of water, post reel and short daily and YouTube video weekly. Sleep on time and wake up early. So rules are pretty simple, but my problem is consistency. I hope I will be consistent and true to myself and 3 months में just Agni 2.0 full of confidence वेट लूज हो जाए और एटलीस्ट इतना कॉन्फिडेंस तो गेन हो ही जाए कि मुझे फिल्टर ऑन ना करना पड़े अपने दाने और स्कार्स को छुपाने के लिए. Today is 1st of January and you will be watching this video same day and I will be uploading daily reel or short or a weekly YouTube update channelizing them into episodes. So let's hope for the best and see the video and short. हाँ, इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लेना देखने के लिए कि मैं डेली कर रही हूँ नहीं, और अगर मैं करूँ और आप भी इन सबसे फेस करो ना तो कर लो यार, कर लो, नया साल है, दिखा दो नए नए अपने रंग. सो या बाय.